I will tell you, there were several more young singers who messaged me and some of my friends. They all wanted to be part of the concert. Young. I'm talking about the young singers. I'm talking about the singers na medyo kilala right there na hindi my age. Hindi my age. But I did have Basil Valdez because I wanted him to sing my songs. Kung pwede, some of my songs. But I think he was the only one kay dad ko na nandun sa concert. All the rest, like Beanie, even Vice Ganda, you know, like when they said, I will tell you something, they did not take the honorarium. Hindi nila kinuha yung talent fees nila. Because they said they just wanted to be part of that concert. Because they said it was a very important celebration for them to not be part of it. But there were several others who said, hindi kami nakasama sa listahan ng Mr. C. So, we were supposed to have a repeat concert July 26 sa Araneta. I said, I don't like it. Ayoko ng concert na ganun kalaki kasi I think that venue is reserved for the younger people, etc. So when the only person or the only sa akin ang wish list ko was sana meron from SB19 to perform or SB19 to perform because Ben and Ben performed, Beanie performed, what's her name performed from Can't Buy Me Love? What's the name of the
Janelle.
No, it's the love team of Donnie.
Yes.
Belle.
Belle Mariano performed. Julian San Jose performed. Janelle Salvador performed. J.K. performed. Wow, Juan Carlos, wow. But then the person that brought down the house in one of those nights was Tel. And I was hoping that mag-guest siya or ma-invite siya because it was only lately na nakita ko meron palang ganun na singer ang SB19. Kasi I only saw them as like a K-pop or a P-pop na, you know, pop and dance, which is very nice, if you ask me. But I didn't know meron pala silang balladeer na meron kataas ang boses. So I was very happy. Now, to answer your question, I was so happy that I was able to share with him a new song. It will be out in August 2. Wow, that's just the day before the concert. So Stel will release a new song written by a very old man. I hope you will be surprised because they were all surprised. Huh? Ginawa ni Mr. C. Kayo magsabi sa akin if I was able to relate to a new singer. So, Kate, you will also tell me later on. Narinig mo? Oh my God, Mr. C. How did you write that? I hope you say that.
Prepare to be
I hope you will say, how did you write that instead of, what a lousy song.
Mr. C, can we get a teaser of that song? Is it like a fast song, a pop, a love song?
Secret.
What did I say? It's a big surprise.
One last question.
I will, no preemption.
No spoiler.
I will not describe it. I will just tell you that, oh my God, I'm just so excited because I have a new song and it's going to be sung by somebody so young. I mean, so young compared to how I know, my age. I think Stella is maybe about 27, 28. I don't know. Maybe young. But I'll tell you, he came to the house, we had rehearsals. What a genuine artist. What a nice kid. What a... nagulat ako. I'm just saying, nagulat ako. Hindi siya yung tipong, ano ba pare? Hindi gano'n. It's like, wow, I think he's a gem. And when I say gem, if you see, if you get to know him, I got to only rehearse with him once. Then he had a performance. And then I got to see him in the recording. And that's it. I don't know anything about him, but what I can tell you is, what a nice, genuine guy. What a genuinely nice person. Grabe, ang ganda ng puso. Ang ganda ng values. Hindi siya, I don't know,